record on this computer. At time t is equal to 0, a particle is projected vertically upwards with speed u from a point A. Nafisa, এটা করে ফেলছো তুমি? Okay. The particle moves freely under gravity. At time t, the particle is at maximum height h above A. Maximum height h above A. Okay, maximum, okay, A. এখন time t particle is maximum height above A. ঠিক আছে, no problem. Let's say এটা হচ্ছে তোমার A, for example. This is your A. এখন এটা কি গ্রাউন্ডের উপরে না গ্রাউন্ডের নিচে না A itself is the ground? Nothing has been mentioned in the question. তো আমি A কে let's say ground হিসেবে নিচ্ছি, for example, because there is no mention. Still, it is at time t, it is at the height h. So height h এর মধ্যে গেছে এটা. This is your height h. ঠিক আছে, at time t. Time is equal to কত? Big T. Clear? Now, they said find t in terms of u and g. এখন initial velocity কত থ্রো করছে? কিছুই বলে নাই আমাকে. Okay. Find your answer. A part কি লিখছে? Find t in terms of u and g. u মানে হচ্ছে ওখানে initial velocity involved আছে, ওখানে g involved আছে, ওখানে t involved আছে, আর কি that is not known. এখানে h involved নাই because ওরা h দিয়ে find করতে বলে নাই আমাকে. So h is not there, মানে s is not there in my equation. So there is only one equation which suits my situation. Just, I don't know, somebody's messaging me today. Wait. Once you finish, okay. Okay, so ekhane the only formula that it is v is equal to u plus at. This is the only one. What is the final velocity at the maximum point? 0. Initial velocity u, এখানে আমি minus g লিখবো না, because উপরের দিকে যাচ্ছে initially, উপরের দিকে যাচ্ছে minus g, তারপর কি বেগ, এটা উপরের দিকে যাচ্ছে না, তো উপর দিকে গেলে তোমার g ভ্যালু কত, acceleration কত, minus g হবে না? Okay, so gt u. Okay, now they said find t in terms of u and g. Find t in terms of u and g. tg টা এখানে নিয়ে আসো. This I am doing a part. tg is equal to u. So t is equal to u by g. Clear? Online? Mehak? Nafisa?
Yes.
Sneha? Mehak? সবাই কি বুঝছো?
Yeah. আরেকবার বুঝাও।
You got it?
No.
Okay, Sneha. Sneha, তুমি জানো ওরা point A থেকে এটা উপরে, they are projecting it point A at a velocity of u. কোশ্চেনটা ঠিক করে পড়তে হবে আমাদের. Read what they wrote. At t is equal to 0, particle is, মানে টাইম শুরু যখন হইছে, particle is projected vertically upward with a speed of u. So we know our initial speed is u from point A. The particle moves freely under gravity. At time t, the particle is at maximum height h above A. At a maximum height h above A. এটা বুঝছো সবাই? Okay, so now what is happening is that maximum height এর মধ্যে velocity, final velocity কত? 0. And they want an equation where t is your subject of the formula. Find t in terms of u and g. মানে তুমি যে আনসারটা পাবে ওখানে t থাকতে হবে, u থাকতে হবে, g থাকতে হবে, h যেন না থাকে মতন, because h is not given me in the question. The only formula that suits my need right now is v is equal to u plus at. আমি v জানি 0, u is u, a is minus g because it is going upward, and t জায়গায় কত big T দিয়ে দিছি আমি. How much time did it take from the ground to reach the maximum height? Big T, big capital letter T আর কি. এখন ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে কিনা বলো? সো t কে সাবজেক্ট অফ দ্য ফর্মুলা করে u বাই g ফাইন্ড করে ফেলছি. ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে?
Yes.
Yes. Now the next one is a bit more complicated. They're saying show that h equals to, কিচ্ছুই বলে নাই, show that h equals to so and so. আচ্ছা h না, আচ্ছা can I do here v square is equal to u square plus 2s over here, because final velocity is 0, initial velocity is u only, plus 2as. Okay, yeah. Now the problem is আমাকে এখানে height use করতে হবে because I can use height over here না, h. So 2as to as. Okay, now v কত 0 square, u কত u square. দেখো এখানেও u square আছে, can you see that? This should give you the hint which formula to use. ওরা বলে দিছে এখানে u square আছে, তো v square is equal to u square minus 2gh height. তুমি এটা করছিলে করে? Okay, bring this on the other side. 2gh is equal to u square, h is equal to u square divided by 2g. Clear kina bolo? Now I'll pause the recording, I'll ask each one record on this computer. Okay, so let's talk about this one. The point A is a height of 3h above the ground. Okay, now this is something that I want to show. A is 3h above the ground. Now let me just copy paste this. Cut actually, and let me just put it here. Paste. Ami ground ke ekhane. This is my actual ground. Okay, this is my actual what? Ground. Always draw diagrams to think. This is your ground. Era bolse the point A is 3h above the ground. The point A is 3h above the ground. 3h হচ্ছে এখান থেকে এখানে, এটা হচ্ছে তোমার h আর এটা কত 3h. This is very important by the way. কেন? When you come down এখানে তোমার ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট কি, আর নিচে তোমার টোটাল ডিসপ্লেসমেন্ট কত এখন -3, এটা ক্লিয়ার থাকতে হবে। Okay, what's your final displacement? -3h. Find in terms of t the total time of the journey. অনেক স্টুডেন্ট বলে ভাইয়া 2 into h করে 2 into t করে ফেলেন না। t is the time taken from a till the maximum position. Okay, total time of the journey আমি এখনো জানি না। Let's talk about it. Total time of the journey. আচ্ছা, total time এর জন্য I need total displacement. Okay, can I use s equals to ut plus half a t square? Can I do this? What is the total journey? Minus 3h. Okay, এখানে u is u, ut এর জায়গায় ut লিখবো minus half into 9.8 কত 4.9 কি t square. Okay, 4.9 t square. Now what is my t by the way? T is ug. আচ্ছা এটা পরে দেখা যাবে. Can I make a quadratic equation out of it if I exchange the places? Can I make a quadratic equation here or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Does this look like a quadratic equation to all of you? All of you? To me?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now let us do minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac over here. By the way, h কত ছিল উপরে, h কত পাইছিলাম u square by 2g. তো এখানে h এর জায়গায় আমি u square by 2g লিখতে পারবো? h এর জায়গায়? আচ্ছা পরে, no problem. Can I use minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a? এটা তোমরা জানো t is equal to time, because এখানে x এর জায়গায় আমি t দিছি। তুমি চাইলে এগুলোকে x হিসেবে ইমাজিন করতে পারো if you guys want. Okay, so minus b হচ্ছে minus of minus u, কেন এখানে b হচ্ছে u, plus minus root of b square হচ্ছে minus u square minus 4a, a হচ্ছে 4.9, c হচ্ছে minus 3 into h এর জায়গায় কি লিখবো u square by 2g divided by a 2 into 4.9. Is this correct by the way? Is this understood everyone what I did here?
Yes.
Okay. What didn't I? Why did I substitute it?
Yeah.
Because this is h na.
Do it now, no?
Last দিয়ে করলে ভালো হবে বলতেছো? No, I can do it right now itself. এখানে h না, this h is what? উপরে আমরা h কত পাইছিলাম u square by 2g, তো h এর জায়গায় আমি u square by 2g লিখে দিছি আর কি। Okay, you know what, not really, it is correct. Okay, আমি এখানে প্লাস u করে দিব, প্লাস u minus u প্লাস মাইনাস root of এখানে হচ্ছে u square আচ্ছা তোমরা সবাই ক্যালকুলেটর করো আমাকে -4 ইন্টু 4.9 ইন্টু -3 মানে এটা মাইনাস মাইনাস প্লাস হয়ে গেছে ডিভাইড বাই 2 ইন্টু 9.8 কত? আবার লেখো -4 এখানে একজনের ক্যালকুলেটর আছে ছিল কেউ প্লিজ ক্যালকুলেটর নিয়ে যাও না ওখানে আমার ওখানে আছে ও ক্যালকুলেটর দাও তো আমাকে let me calculate by myself. I'll pause the recording. Okay, so what I did is I completely forgot to do the recording of this, so let me repeat it again for you all. If I remember correctly, I left you guys over here, okay, and I told you to do it on your own. So this is what we got. So what is the one we got? Minus u square will become positive u square. 4 into 4.9 into -3 divide by 2 into 9.8. When I enter in your calculator, I get 3. And I have an u square here, so therefore I wrote u square. 3u square and divide by 2 into 4.9. 2 into 4.9 is 9.8. Therefore, instead of writing 9.8, I wrote a g over here. Okay, now, because writing 9.8 or g, they both are same anyway. 3u square plus u square is 4u square. And when you do root of 4u square, you will get 2u. So plus u plus minus of 2u, because root is plus minus. Plus u plus 2u is 4u, 3u divided by g, and another one is minus u divided by g. We already know from our a part. In a part, it is written of this question is t is equal to u by g. If t is equal to u by g, in place of u by g, I can give 3t. Understood? So that means the total time taken is 3t. That's what you're supposed to know. I'll pause the recording. You guys now can do it on your own. Okay, so you guys requested me to do this sum a lot. 2 of you did actually. So let's try. Okay, I think if I give you guys the formula, you guys will be able to do it on your own. Okay, so let's see. When time t is equal to 0, two balls A and B are projected vertically upward. Two balls A and B. Again, ball A is projected vertically upward with a speed of 2 meters per second from the point 50 meters above the horizontal ground. So this is a point. We don't know which point is it, but that point is 50 meters above the ground. This is your ground. Okay, so how much is it? It is what? Your h equals to 50 meters. Now the ball B is projected vertically from the ground. So ekta, so one of them is projected 50 meters above the ground and another one is projected from the ground itself. Okay, so it is, this one is projecting 2 meters per second. Where did I copy paste it? Oh, I started a new file. Whatever. So this is projected 50 meters above the ground. Okay, from the 50. Okay, what is your initial velocity here? 2 meters per second. What's your final velocity here? 0. And what's your s here? Minus 50. Your acceleration is minus g. Clear? This is for whom? This is for a part. Is the diagram satisfactory? Is the diagram satisfactory, guys? Fine.
Yes.
The ball B is projected vertically upwards from the ground with a speed of 20 meters per second. So your ball B is projecting at 20 meters per second. This is B part. So it's going up, and is it reaching the same height? Yes, it is also going the same height. Okay, so okay, let this be h, small h. So how much is this going to be? This is going to be 50 minus h minus 50, na? Yes or no? For A, what is the maximum height he went? H minus 50, na? And for B, the maximum height from the ground is h, small h. Clear? Pushpita,
Yes.
Nafisa, Sneha, clear ki na bolo?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, at the time t is equal to big T seconds, capital letter, the two balls are at the same vertical height. Okay, h, above the ground. Okay. Now let's make an equation. So the time taken for the A to reach from here to here is big T, and the time taken over here also what? Capital letter T. So time taken is same to go to the maximum height, but the maximum velocity koto? Sorry, maximum height velocity. Rephrase. Maximum height other velocity koto? 0. Bas khalas. So now, এটা চেক করো এখানে কি করতে হবে তোমাদের। Let's make an equation for A. Can I do S equals to UT plus half AT square? Because I think this is the only one that matches. কিভাবে? Yeah, I have time and everything over here. Okay, fine. What is your S here for A? For A, S is H minus 50. What is the initial velocity? 2. What is the time taken? This. Okay, S equals to H. Okay. Minus half A. Half A কত হবে? 4.9 T square. Agree or disagree? This is equation for A. Everybody understood?
Yes.
You guys have anything to ask me? Everyone? Do you guys have anything to ask me over here? Nafisa?
No.
Sneha?
No.
No. Bolo, why did I? Because they said that time taken for the maximum to reach maximum height is capital letter T. It's written in the question. Tell me.
Why is you?
Yeah. Why is the U here? No, for A it was 2, na? For B it was 20. There are 2 particles are here. Okay, so I made another mistake over here. This should be capital letter T square. Okay, and odike chole jao. H equals to 2T minus 4.9 T square plus 50. This is how I can simplify it. H ke sabino the formula korchi. Keno bolbo. Let's go with B now. B equation banabo amra ekhon. Same here. S equals to UT plus half AT square. S koto? H. U koto? 20. 20T minus again 4.9 কি T square. আর কিছুই না এখানে। Okay. এটাও H, এটাও H. Can I combine both of them?
Yes.
Can I combine both of them now with simultaneous equation? 2T minus 4.9 T square plus 50 is equal to 20T minus 4.9 T square. এটা আর এটা কি? Cancel. ওটা 4.9 minus, এটা 4.9 minus. There is an equal to sign, so they will get cancelled.
Yeah.
Okay. So now bring this 2T on the other side. Can we write 50 is equal to 18T? বুঝে গেছ তো 18T কেন? Okay, 50 divided by 18 is equal to T. How much is it? Whatever the answer is, but the situation is correct. 2.8. I'll pause the recording now.